See, I was raised in a good home with morals and all. Got my degree, made mama proud, and worked real hard. I bet she never thought I'd end up with a guy like you. Thugged out, gold grill, hustle with a caddy. Big dreams, dirty south, nothing like my daddy. But I love this man, and I can't stop. He's like a force of nature. Excuse me, but I love his dirty draws. And I'm in love with the tough and proud of it. He's like a force of nature. Nothing you can say can keep me from him. Something in the way that he looks at me. Oh, he's like a thief in the night that came and stole my heart, and now I just can't breathe. But I already know that mama just would not approve. She would look at me and say, you got too much to lose. Baby, slow it down, 'cause you don't even know this man. But it won't happen like that, 'cause mama just don't understand that I love this man, I can't stop. He's like a force of nature. Excuse me, but I love his dirty draws. And I'm in love with the thug and proud of it. He's like a force of nature. Keep it from him. And I ride with him and going nowhere. You can say what you want, but I ain't gonna leave him. I lay with him, it feels so right. You can say that it's wrong, but it won't change my mind. Thugging, all I want you, so tell me what you wanna do, babe. I believe in you, and that's the truth.